pavement, and they're all down in the saddle with their government grants. And my IQ, they brought me down to size, academia blues. Louise is a girl, I know her well, she's up on the pavement. Yeah, she's a weather girl, and I'm staying up here, so I may be undone. She's inappropriate, but then she's much more fun. And when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain. She's got perfect skin. Shame on you, got no sense of grace. Shame on me, just in case I might come to a conclusion other than that which is absolutely necessary, and that's perfect skin. Louise is the girl with the perfect skin. She says turn on the light, otherwise it can't be seen. She's got cheekbones like geometry and eyes like sin, and she's sexually enlightened by cosmopolitan eyes. When she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain. For her perfect skin, yeah, that's perfect skin. Slides of a family life, pretty weird at times. At the age of 10, she looked like Greta Garbo, and I loved her then. How was she to know that? When she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain. She's got perfect skin. Up 8 flights of stairs to a basement flat, pretty confused, huh? Been shipped around like that, seems reclined so high. Now we're down so low, strikes me the moral of this song must be there never has been one. Jody wears a hat although it hasn't rained for 6 days. She says a girl needs a gun these days, hey, on account of all the rattlesnakes. She looks like Eve Marisol in On the Waterfront. She reads Simone de Beauvoir in her American Circumstance. Less than sure if the heart has come to stay in San Jose, and the never-born child still haunts her as she speeds down the freeway. As she tries her luck with the traffic police out of boredom or inspired, she never finds no trouble. She tries too hard, she's obvious despite herself. She looks like Eve Marisol on the waterfront. She says all she needs is therapy. Yeah, all you need is love is all you need. The girl needs a gun these days. Hey, on account of all the rattlesnakes. She looks like Eve Marisol in On the Waterfront as she reads Simone de Beauvoir. Her American circumstance, her heart's like crazy paving, upside down and back to front. She says, ooh, it's so hard to love when love was your great disappointment. York Times when I sensed I was not alone. She said, you know how to spell audaciously. I could tell I was in love. And so I forced a smile contrary to my style, and she looked into my eyes. She said, you want to go to heaven, or would you rather not be saved? Here comes my train. I'm on my way. Oh, will you not see? I don't need your sympathy. I won't read your poetry. Oh, sweetness, please. So she took me back to a basement flat, which was down on Charlotte Street. Though it was never my intention, no, we were not intense, not least because, well, if you must just take, then I'm a piece of cake. That is what she said to me. And so I gave myself to her charity. Well, at least that's how it seemed. Here comes my train. I'm on my way. What got into me? I don't need your sympathy. I won't read your poetry, oh bittersweet. For the New York Times when I was distracted. Yes, those were precious times together that we wasted.